Hi everybody, this is Verdi Alexei, and this is the tutorial on how to create formulas for the bleeding damage of dynamic bleeding and tactical gameplay modifications. So let's start. I recommend you to use Visual Studio Code and this extension. Follow New Vegas script syntax. This will be enough to start. And we will go to the formulas folder of the mod we want to modify. In this case will be dynamic bleeding, and it's right here. All right, I will open it with code. For start, all we need to do is to create a new file. You can name it however you want. I will put it test formula, but it has to have a .gec at the end. I'll copy this code and explain it here. All right. All you need for this formula to work is basically just this, and here the values you want to implement. Underdog is the actor that will receive the bleeding effect. You can name it however you want. I name it Underdog because I think it's a cool name. And in this occasion, I will make a formula that will um, inflict the entire damage of the weapon as the damage per second during 100 seconds. Um, I will get rid of this, and this, and this. All I have to do here is to put this variable here, and the duration in seconds, I will put it 100. This will be enough to make the formula work. Whatever you want to do here, the calculations you want to do, I recommend you to use the GetWiki if you don't know much about scripting to New Vegas. But this is basically all you need to do. All right. You can also save some values directly on the ini file. For example, I will create information here. The duration in seconds. Let's say duration in seconds equals to 100. All right, I can save this. The objective of this is that the people that will use your formula can modify it. That depends on you, and I will use it here. That will be enough. Duration in seconds will be 100 seconds, with the damage per second being the entire damage of the weapon itself. Well, to activate this formula in your game, you will need to go to the ini file and here put the place where it is, the position. Let's say it starts counting from 0, and it will be 0, 1, 2. This is the second formula. If I put here and it is in the first place, will be the 0 formula. It will work with the second position. So let's say second formula, and that will be enough to make it work. Let's see, everything seems all right. Yeah. If it works, you will see the version of the mod you are using here at the start. All right. All right. I'm sorry. On a small mistake. There it is. That's enough. By the way, sorry for my English. I'm not native, as you can guess. And here it is. If you see this, that means the formula is working. All right. Let's try it out. So with this weapon, the 9mm pistol, and this NPC that I will shoot will get 6 of damage per second. So he will die very, very fast. There it is. And well, that's it. That's all you need to make formulas for both dynamic bleeding and tactical gameplay modifications. Again, I recommend you to use the Get Wiki if you don't know much about scripting for New Vegas, and see you the next time.